Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a fascinating problem related to function analysis in IDA Pro. The problem we are going to tackle involves understanding the significance of the argument's value displayed in the Functions tab. It's a common issue faced by reverse engineers and developers trying to make sense of the data provided by IDA Pro. Let's jump into the solution for the problem we just discussed. The Arguments column in the Functions tab represents the space reserved for function arguments before the function stack frame. This value doesn't indicate the total size of all function arguments, but only those passed through the stack. Understanding this subtle distinction is crucial for effectively identifying and analyzing functions in IDA Pro. Now, let's look at a specific function to illustrate this concept further. In the function sub_47ec80, we see a scenario where the seventh argument is passed via stack, leading to the arguments column displaying 000000004. This alignment with the stack-based argument helps in understanding how IDA Pro interprets and displays function details accurately. By delving into the assembly code and variable allocations, we can gain deeper insights into the function's argument passing mechanism. Continuing with our exploration, let's examine the function execution flow in the disassembly snippet provided. By analyzing the stack operations and argument passing methods, we can decode the intricacies of function parameter handling within IDA Pro effectively. This detailed examination sheds light on how the tool interprets and presents function details for improved analysis and understanding. Moving on to another function, sub_44dc90. We encounter a scenario where multiple arguments are passed through the stack, resulting in the arguments column showing 000000011. This alignment underscores the importance of accurately identifying and interpreting function arguments to enhance reverse engineering processes. By dissecting the code and argument passing sequences, we can decipher the underlying mechanics and optimize our analysis approach. In our final analysis segment, let's unravel the function execution flow in the provided snippet, showcasing the nuances of argument passing through the stack. This comprehensive examination underscores the critical role of understanding function parameter handling nuances for efficient reverse engineering in IDA Pro. By decoding the assembly instructions and function call sequences, we can refine our approach to function analysis and extraction of vital information. In conclusion, mastering the interpretation of function details in IDA Pro is essential for effective reverse engineering endeavors. Understanding how the arguments column reflects stack-based argument passing can significantly enhance your analysis capabilities. So, keep exploring and honing your skills in decoding function structures for a more insightful reverse engineering journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on this fascinating topic. Happy analyzing!